My career started, I suppose, straight out of school and into a job that involved the Engineering Industries Training Board. I got picked up at the Engineering Industries Training Board by a company called Muirhead Vactric, and I did a 4-year apprenticeship with those. And alongside that, did a higher national certificate in electrical and electronics engineering. I think the big inspiration to become an engineer was my dad. From a really early age, probably from about 3 or 4, he was messing around with tools and that sort of thing. He qualified as a steam fitter years ago for British Rail. So he basically was a real sort of guiding light for that. Electrically, I did mechanics when I was really young. I built a boat trailer when I was about 11 or 12. I learned how to weld when I was about 7 or 8, believe it or not. From that point on, it then sort of moved into my apprenticeship. So I was sort of an engineer from about 6 years old onwards, I suppose. My journey to chartership was via incorporation. I went through the sort of non-degreed route to get to incorporation. And what I basically did produce using the career manager from the IT is a very, very complicated, very detailed CV. The advice I've got for anybody going onto the journey to incorporation is to use the IT. Get a professional registration advisor and listen to what they're doing. Listen to what they're saying, listen to what you need to do to be able to comply with all the UK specification that you need to demonstrate in order to do that. I went through the route of just becoming a supersized CV to gather all that data together and put it on paper, put it onto the career manager. And for me, that really was a major breakthrough. So I would say PRA and using Career Manager would be the two bits I would say.